Juice up your marriage, a blessing.
Hi, welcome to Marital Workshop with Blessing. This is the place you get to juice up your marriage with Blessing. My sister, you deserve a blissful marriage. That is why you need to follow me, stick with me, and do practically everything I ask you to do on this platform. With me by your side, your marriage will be sweet, happy, and juicy. Okay, you don't need to leave your man. You don't need to quit your marriage. All you need to do is stick with me on this platform. Let's build your marriage together on Marital Workshop with Blessing.
Juice up your marriage, a blessing.
Yeah, today I want to address fighting in marriage. You that you are still beating your husband. Maybe your husband is still beating you, or you are beating each other. I want to talk to you today. Now, I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to let you know that I used to be there. I was once there in my early years of marriage. When I just got married, my husband and I used to be Jet Li and Jack Chan. Choo, choo, choo. You know, we used to fight. But right now, my husband and I are now Romeo and Juliet. Now, what leads to fighting in marriage? Remember, you and your husband used to be lovebirds. Okay? When you first met, you used to be fond of each other. So at what point do you start fighting? Fighting starts when there's resentment, when there's hatred introduced in the marriage. Maybe it could be from your husband or from even you yourself. Since you need to know at what point did fighting entered into your marriage. Remember, fighting starts when there's resentment, when there's hatred. Maybe your husband used to provide, but now he has lost his job and he couldn't provide anymore. Or maybe you used to be fat and now you are slim. And maybe your husband loves fat. Maybe your husband wants you fat. Or maybe before you used to be slim and now you are fat. And your husband wants you, likes it when you were slim. Or maybe your husband expects by now you should have given him a male child. And you're still unable to give him a male child. Or even bear him any child. I don't know what it is. But I know there is hatred somewhere. And that hatred is the one basing this or fighting. Every little thing, there's fighting. Every little thing, quarreling. So there's hatred somewhere. Now, before you can find a solution to that problem, you need to know what is happening. Maybe you need to have a meeting with your husband. You could even go out and just talk. Okay, just tell him, I'm tired of this fighting. What's happening? What is the cause? Now, your husband has his own opinion why you are fighting, and you also have reasons why you are fighting. The both of you need to come together and address it. And one thing you need to know is, as a human being, we all have our thresholds. If, like the woman, you're always fighting with your husband, and your husband gets to that threshold, and like, oh, stop it, enough, I've had enough of this, okay, and you refuse to stop. And your husband tends to slap you, then you both start fighting. Or maybe you expected your husband to provide money to buy some certain things in the house, and is unable to get those things. He just start raining curses or start raining abusive words at him. And you remember, men don't like it. Men love it when you respect them. Give them their honor, no matter what. No matter if they can provide or not, they are still the head. God has already made them that way. We can't change it. They are the head, and that way they will remain until Christ comes. Take a moment and think about that thing that makes you hate your husband. It could be that your husband drinks and you hate him for that. And for that reason, you tend to disrespect him. And another thing that can cause fighting in your marriage could be some spiritual elements, which I won't be able to talk about on this platform. You know, there are people who don't want your marriage to grow. There are people who are fighting your marriage spiritually. You also need to fight back spiritually. You know what that means. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also put your comment down on the comment section below and click on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to share. It could help someone who is fighting with her husband right now. So we need to help them. Just share the video. Let it get to that woman that is fighting with her husband, or that man that is still beating his wife. Please. Thank you.